It takes most Eskapoos 15 to 17 months to become full-grown. The Eskapoo is a designer dog achieved by crossing an American Eskimo dog with a European poodle. This breed that weighs about 15 pounds stands about 11 inches tall. Breeders developed this designer breed as a happy-go-lucky family addition. Most have a double coat, which may make them ideal companions on cold winter days. Almost all have the flappy ears of the European poodle. If you are looking for a new member of your family, consider the Eskapoo. They love to be with you all the time, and their antics will have you laughing frequently. They love to be in the middle of everything, so whatever your family is doing is fine with them. They are very smart animals who want to please their owners. They love to snuggle with you, and their coat will help you stay warm as they take a nap on your lap. They suffer from more separation anxiety than most breeds. Sometimes, these dogs want to do things their way. They are energetic animals that need activities to keep them mentally stimulated. American Eskimo dogs are particularly prone to cataracts, and they can pass this condition on to Eskapoos. In a mature cataract, the part of the eye that is typically black turns white. This condition can cause blindness. Since it is often hereditary, this is a question that you may want to ask the breeder about the parent. Many learn to adapt very well to being blind. Another disease that American Eskimo dogs are prone to is digital squamous cell carcinoma, and it can be a problem for some Eskapoos. Several factors can cause these cancerous tumors on the dog's paws, including exposure to too much sunlight. Watch your Eskapoo's feet for crusted over or irritated places and get them checked out by a veterinarian. Luxating patellas is a displaced kneecap. Watch your Eskapoo run across the yard, and you may see them running on 3 feet. Then, suddenly they are running on all 4 again. This is the most common sign of Luxating Patellas. This disease is also prevalent in Maltese, Chihuahua, French Poodle, and Bichon Frise. May cause the dog to throw its leg out to the side when it runs. It can be surgically corrected if needed because it often leads to other bone and ligament issues. If you and your family are looking for a loyal companion, it is hard to beat the Eskapoo's temperament. They will gladly join in whatever way they can in anything that your family has planned. They have a very loyal temperament to your family, so they have a hard time adjusting if you are gone for even a couple of hours. The Eskapoo is a high-energy dog. Therefore, you need to be sure that it gets plenty of playtimes every day. If you don't provide it, you can sometimes expect this dog to show a little destructive temperament. As a breed, the Eskapoo is very sensitive, and it strives hard to fit in. If you are having a good day, then expect this dog to be active and happy. If life is not going your way, it is perfectly content to sit by you while you mope or cry. Getting an Eskapoo hug can be a great way to get to feeling better. Full-grown Eskapoos are prone to obesity, like many other breeds, so ensure that you feed it high-quality food twice a day. Additionally, they may suffer from dental issues, so feed dry kibble whenever possible. Eskapoo puppy food. Feed the Eskapoo pup a combination of wet and dry dog food for the first 10 months. Then, switch over to totally dry dog food. Be sure to choose a high-quality food with a high amount of calcium as it can later help prevent bone and joint problems. Eskapoo adult food. You should feed adult Eskapoos at least 2 meals a day. This is an active breed, so your dog may eat more than many dogs that are the same size, like the pug or the Havanese. Watch to make sure that your dog does not become obese. The Eskapoo can inherit its coat from either parent. If it gets its coat from its American Eskimo parent, then you need to give it a bath week and comb its coat every day with a wide tooth comb. It also needs to go to the groomers for a trim about once a month. If the Eskapoo gets its coat from its European poodle parent, it still needs a bath weekly because it has a double coat. Brush the dog with a soft brush 2 or 3 times a week. Dogs with this coat need to go to the groomers about every 2 months.